Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix ear speaker or calling speaker not working problem in Vivo Y53s. So before just starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix front ear speaker or calling speaker not working problem in Vivo Y53s, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings icon. So first just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.